Hola, and welcome to Kim at Home. We're going to jump right into the video. I'm showing you what the mirrors look like because they are pretty dirty. However, it doesn't pick up too well on camera. I'm doing some overall maintenance on my bathroom. I have to go through some of my containers to organize my chaos. But most importantly, I'm going to avoid my closet. If you are new here, I am Kim, K-Y-M. I love creating content where I give you tips on how to keep your house up to par throughout the week so you're not spending your entire weekend cleaning. We need to be hanging out with our families on the weekend, going to the beach and being a beach bum, or whatever it is that you like to do. I appreciate you so much for stopping by. Please be sure to hit the like button before you leave out and also subscribe. Join my YouTube family. We're called the Keep Up Crew. I'm currently cleaning my husband's side of the sink. I do not mess with his stuff. All I do is take it off and clean it, and then I just put everything back where it needs to go. Let me know in the comments below if your husbands don't like when you organize their stuff or move their stuff around.
I love it here on Cloud Nine. You're mine. Yeah, you're so good, you stop time.
The yellow shirt that you see on the floor has been there for 2 months, probably longer. I have been meaning to wash it, or I should say, put it in the dirty clothes so that my husband can wash it because Kim does not do laundry on a normal basis. Let me know in the comments below who does the laundry at your home.
This thing we got it. I know I love it. No need for it to stop.
All of the medications in the container belong to me. I got sick April 2021 with that word that starts with a C and ends with a D. And I'm a long hauler, so I have a lot of medications that I take. I do physical therapy amongst other things. So if you are in that same boat, my prayers go out to you, and I hope that you are healed in the name of Jesus. Although there are a lot of setbacks throughout the day, I just try to focus on getting better and my healing, because if I don't focus on that, nothing is going to happen. So faith is a big thing for me. Everything looks nice and clean, just how I like it. I do have to do the mirrors above the bathtub, but what I accidentally did is cleaned out the bathtub first. So over here is extremely clean as well. And then down here, oh, that area down there was pretty gross. I did get it all cleaned up, got it swept, got it, the dustpan, all that great stuff. So now I'm gonna mop the floor, but I probably will not do that on camera. Do you see the sweat? Do you see the shine? Your girl is hot, okay? This is what the bedroom is looking like. Everything needs dusted, everything needs wiped down. I will be wiping it down with the yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant. And in the previous clip, I mentioned how I accidentally cleaned out the bathtub prior to cleaning the mirrors off. When you're cleaning, you always want to start at the top and work your way down. So if I were to clean the mirrors off right now, I would have to re-clean the bathtub. Remember when I mentioned I didn't like to do laundry? I don't like to fold it either. I used to have a chair in my room where my clean laundry went. So now it's like, okay, there's nowhere to go because we moved the chair back downstairs. So I kind of have to fold it like within a week at least. Whereas before it was like 3 weeks. I'm just saying. Let me know if you are a perfectionist when you make your bed. I'm not. As long as it's made, it doesn't really matter what it looks like to me. I'm sure for most of you that sounds crazy, but hey, when you wake up in the morning, you ain't got time to be trying to make everything look perfect. You just want to make the bed and keep it moving.
Is what we deserve. So listen, baby, listen carefully, 'cause I got something to say. I feel us fading. Listen carefully.
Mr. Clean disinfectant to clean off everything. This is my fan. It is hot. The big thing, let me show you. If you're new, my bedroom is right above the garage, so that is an additional air unit because it's burning up. Here's what the desk is looking like. It was a hot mess. The bed has been made. I have gotten a lot of questions about this pillow and what exactly it matches in my bedroom. Don't forget to stream Kim at home while cleaning. This is my wall that it took me about 7 hours to do. I was bored one day, and when I get bored, I like to be creative. So that is the wall that I came up with. I freestyled it, and it matches the pillow perfectly. So there is where the pillow comes into play. How does this happen? Don't even know where the matches are to these socks. Like, I have no idea. The next thing that I'm going to do is clean off that stand in my hallway where my accent wall is. I know for some people cleaning can be overwhelming, so my suggestion is if you want to clean your room, just clean the space in like a counterclockwise or clockwise position. That way you won't miss anything. It's hard to believe that we are approaching the end of summer. Let me know what you guys did down below in the comments. Now I'm going to work my way downstairs, starting with the stairs. I've had to clean these off way more often lately. They've just been really dusty, hairy, and gross. Yes, hairy. The stairwell definitely needs a refresher, but it's not in the budget, so I'm just going to ignore it, okay?
'Cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just want to make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed.
Thank you so much for being here. If you have not already subscribed, please do so. And also show the like button some love.
But not as much as this does. We had a good run. Don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedy.
This little DIY stand attracts so much dust. Well, everything in my house attracts a lot of dust, but it was like super dirty. So I wanted to go ahead and get this taken care of. As dark as this DIY stand is, I could tell the difference between it being dirty and not dirty. But I also have that trained eye that others may not have just because I am a professional cleaner. But yeah, it was a hot mess.
I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry. 'Cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we.
I hardly clean out the inside of my oven. The one thing that I will give you as a tip is whatever you're cooking, cover it with like aluminum foil and then put the liner at the bottom because it's just so much easier to clean and you always want to work smart and not hard.
I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry. 'Cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does, so baby.
This spray bottle contains some golden gems. The bottle holds vinegar. I love cleaning with vinegar for many reasons. Number one, it's a natural disinfectant. And number two, it does not leave streaks. Streaks is a big thing for cleaners. So at the end of the day, if you leave streaks at someone's house or at a commercial building that you're cleaning, it does not look like you cleaned it thoroughly. I noticed at the bottom of this cabinet there were a lot of scrapes, so I wanted to put a little bit of a liner down for where I put my pots and my pans. As far as the organizing aspect in this cabinet, I'm actually going for clean and not perfection. This will never be a channel that shows you Pinterest organization.
I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded,
This cabinet had a weird smell, so I wanted to get in there and clean it with vinegar. Also, I was checking the expiration date on some of the food that was in there, and I only had to throw out 2 things. Your girl is winning, okay? I'm trying to stay on top of all of this, but you know, it can be challenging when you work full-time.
Get so dizzy thinking of you. I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that?
I'm really bad about cleaning out this soap dish, but it was just looking really dusty, so I had to handle it.
Like this, get like this. 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 Reminded of how I met you.
Here is another contraption that collects a lot of dust, and I think it's because it's dark. I mean, I don't know what else it could be. You can really tell when something is black, like your appliances or your console tables. If there's dust on there, it just looks horrible. I've also been moving around some decor, so the items that are in there are not necessarily the items that will stay in there. I literally just put that little plant in there because I was moving some things around, and you guys will have to just see that in another video. Let me know below in the comments if you have started decorating for fall. First of all, it's 90 degrees here, so I just am not in the mood to decorate for fall at all whatsoever. I typically do it after Labor Day, so we will see exactly when it will be handled. I'm also very minimal when it comes to decorating because I just don't like stuff all over the place. That's just not my jam.
Get like this. No, get like this.
This candle is compliments of Michael's. They had them 3 for $9.99, and oh my word, they smell amazing. So that's really the only fall thing I have going on in my home right now.
She loves me not. This bouquet is all I got. I'm dreaming. Or could it be a future?
There was a huge spider web on this cover. I'm talking like wrapped around everything, so I was just trying to get it off without having to touch it. And I will show you the little spider who decided to make the web. And let me tell you, she ain't Charlotte, okay?
I don't usually get like.
This little patio area definitely needs a power wash. That is the plan. That has been the plan for like 2 years now, but I'm really going to try to hook it up for fall so that we can sit back here for like, 5 minutes without being cornered by a coyote. Yes, that has happened. It happened to my daughter.
Get like this. Get like this. Oh, get like this. No, get like this. Yeah, get like this. Get like this.
Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate it. Be sure that you are looking in the mirror and saying your affirmations. I am worthy, I am enough, and I am loved. Don't forget to be nice to yourself and others.
Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently.
Thank you again for watching. Bye, guys.